new family, we're back with another video, and in today's video it's going to be a DIY for a tiered tray. I'm actually doing a 3-tiered tray challenged by Junkernecker, and Melissa makes it DIY. I want you to check out her playlist and also the other participants as well. All right, guys, let's go ahead and get into this video. I'm actually using a recycled cardboard box that was left over from some White Castles that was delivered to the door as a substitute. Wasn't what I wanted, but hey, it turned out to be great, delicious, and also great for my project. I hope you guys enjoy this video. So let's go ahead and get started. Here you can see me cutting down the cardboard box in order to make it fit the dimensions that I've decided to do for this project. As you can see, for the larger piece, the flaps are actually left on so that I can have them at an angle so that it makes a little more decorative look. Here I'm just deciding exactly what dimensions I want to have my bottom angled, so that's what I'm actually doing to see how it's gonna look and turn out. Now that I've decided what I want for the dimensions, I will go ahead and mark it off, cut it off with an X-Acto knife, and put the larger piece to the side. Here I'm just mirroring what was done for the other piece onto a second one so that we have two matching pieces. And now I'm gonna go ahead and start on our second tier so that we can cut down the flaps to make sure that it matches. I'm just gonna use the first layer to make sure the side dimensions are the same. I went ahead and fast forward a bit, showing you all 3 sides are ready to go. So next we're just gonna hot glue them together and start building up this frame for the tray. I hope you guys are enjoying this video. If you enjoy, please leave me a comment below. Let me know what you think. And as you can see, I'm just doing the same for each layer. Nothing has changed. We're just gonna hot glue them all together. And I just want to let you know also, if you find out that there is a piece that's not actually matching up, as you're gonna see, you can actually just trim it down, make sure that it's fitting in order to complete the project. I'm also reinforcing by going along the inner layers with hot glue as well. Now I'm gonna take my paper towel roll. I cut it here into 3 sections, but you will only actually need 2 sections, and just make sure that there are different sizes for each section. And you'll see me go through here and cut the ends of each one so that it sits flush onto the bottom of each tray. And now we'll just hot glue them into place. Make sure that they're centered. Now I just wanted to hop back in really quick to say that although this project looks like it's pretty complicated, it's really not hard to do at all. It was something that I would consider to be a little easier because you're just basically doing shapes here, rectangles, squares, and circles. That's all. Now we're gonna go ahead and cut out 8 pieces for the feet of our tray. Awesome. So now that we have all our pieces cut out, let's glue them together and then glue them to the bottom of our tray. Now I'm gonna do a quick test to see if it's able to hold the water bottles. It looks pretty sturdy, so let's go ahead and continue. Now we're gonna go ahead and take some twine and we're gonna glue it down so that we can cover the cardboard pieces. And we'll just continue with what you just saw here on the screen, going all the way down until we have the entire leg piece covered. And this is what you should have at the very end. Start with the other legs and just continue until you have all 4 completed. And here, as you can see, I've also wrapped around the jute twine on our paper towel rolls. We'll come in with the pink seashell paint and we're gonna go ahead and cover the entire outer layer with the pink. And now I'm just gonna paint the inside layers with the white paint. So now we're gonna just grab our craft sticks and we're gonna take them and put them only on the top layer with some glue and just lay them down. Next, we'll grab our crackle medium and we're gonna put it over the pink paint. So everything that you painted pink, you're just gonna put the crackle over and then we're gonna allow it to dry and then come back an hour later and lay on top with the white so that the pink is the color that's gonna be shown underneath of the crackle. And here's our final piece. I hope you guys enjoyed this DIY tray. I definitely did. Have an amazing day, and make sure you comment down below and let me know your thoughts and maybe a few ideas.